Global leaders have been making roadmaps for years, all to tackle climate change. Activists say that we're far away from meeting our climate targets. And now a prince has spoken up too. Britain's Prince William has taken a swipe at the billionaires, all those embroiled in a space tourism race. Prince William says the focus should be on saving Earth, not on space travel. Welcome to Beyond's Climate Tracker. I'm Priyanka Sharma. Let's get started now. Neighbours Iraq and Syria have been battling conflict. And now they have a new issue, climate change. Record low rainfall has resulted in a drought. The Euphrates River, which provides water to both the nations, has been drying up. Harvest has been hit. Food security is now under threat, and both Iraq and Syria are now staring at one more humanitarian crisis. Let's focus on Syria now, which once produced enough wheat to feed its entire population, but now the country has been hit by a historic drought. Crop failures are mounting. The situation is so bad that wheat farmers are mulling to leave the profession altogether. Our next report tells you more.
Abdel Suleiman lost his farm to a wildfire last year. This year, drought led to low harvest. Now Suleiman, a wheat farmer, has resorted to selling his wife's jewellery. He lives in Syria's Hasakeh province, also known as the country's breadbasket. There's no other option left. He has to make ends meet. With very less rainfall, the situation is likely to worsen.
Last year, the field I planted was burnt to the ground. This year, there was a drought. I lost 2 seasons, so I planted cumin as well, and it didn't work either because of the lack of rain.
Irrigation is also not an option in the region. It's expensive. Then there's lack of water. The Euphrates River, which flows through the region, has sunk to a historic low. Locals are even mulling moving elsewhere. They say that with very little harvest, there's no food and money.
This will affect the average citizen, the government, everyone. What will people eat? They have no resources. It will be very difficult if wheat is not planted. People will leave. I tell you, if it does not rain this year, drought will hit and people will leave. No one will be able to grow wheat.
Wheat production has been declining ever since the war erupted in Syria in 2011. But climate change has escalated the crisis. Earlier, Syria produced enough wheat to feed its entire population. Now, it's mostly dependent on imports.
The 2021 season was truly bad compared to other seasons, and it will have an impact on the economy of northern and eastern Syria in general.
Aid organizations warn that poor harvest can threaten food security in the conflict-marred nation. More than 60% of Syria's population already struggles to buy food.
It is quite alarming because in terms of food security, there's going to be a big impact, we think. It's likely that prices will rise, the supply will be difficult, and from a government point of view, it's likely that the government is going to have to import significant amounts of wheat on the international market, which is difficult for them to do right now.
The drought's impact goes beyond agriculture. The drying up of the Euphrates River has led to the closure of hydroelectric power plants. With low power generation and drinking water shortage, Syria is staring at another humanitarian crisis. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.